Here I have Samsung Galaxy F13, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the biometrics and security, then go to install unknown apps. So here you can see the whole list of the apps through which you can install unknown apps. Let's pick for example Chrome. So you just tap on this switcher next to it, and now you can install unknown apps for the Google Chrome as much as you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.